Hi, Tube. We're gonna do "Tell Me" by the A La Las. All right, it's a beginner song. So you could play it with all open position chords, and it probably would sound great on an acoustic guitar. D minor. That's where it starts. F. C. Back to F. And then it goes right to D minor again. Tell me what I could get from what I had. I'm not feeling yet quite so bad. I'm not getting half what I earned. Thought that we were set, but now I'm here. Tell me what's on your mind. Tell me what's on your mind. Tell me what's on your mind, 'cause I can't find it. Alright, that's basically the verse and the chorus, all played over the same chord progression. I do think that when we get to the chorus, the rhythm kind of speeds up and it gets more regular, but it's not drastically different from the verse. Good one to practice D minor on. Now, some of people play the F like this, with their pinky on the D and their ring finger on the A. And then a lot of people throw their thumb over and get the bass. But I just play it like a 3-string chord. And that would be index on the B, middle finger on the G at the 2nd fret, and ring finger on the D at the 3rd fret. And you can get the high E in there on this song. It makes it sound okay. The style of the song is kind of like psychedelic folk rock. Almost maybe similar to like the group Them, which had Van Morrison as the singer. It's kind of like 60s folk rock meets psychedelia. Now there's other guitars. I think there's at least 2 guitars, but I think there's at least 3 guitars on the recording. There is a bridge, and it uses the same 3 chords. Kind of a long and prominent bridge in this song. All my love I gave to you, all the trials you ran me through, all the love you have to wait. quickly F. All right, so it goes mostly D minor. Then it goes quickly on the G, on the C, then to the F. Back to the D minor. All right, that's Tell Me by the A La Las. I think it's a great song to practice your D minor and practice your strumming and singing and strumming at the same time. So have fun with it. All right, bye-bye.